Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. I was not able to upload on Thursday due to my voice. If you can hear it, it's still kind of not there, but it's good enough for me to record a video for you guys. So, for today's video, I will be doing the best makeup of 2018. And this is what I think the best makeup was that came out this year. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Give the video a big thumbs up. And comment down below what makeup you thought was the best for 2018. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, so we're going to start with primer. And this is the Photo Finish Primerizer by Smashbox. It is $42. As you can tell, I have used a decent amount of this. If you have dry skin, this is the best primer that you can use because it is also moisturizing, which is freaking amazing. And it's also a primer, so this I highly recommend. Beautiful, love. And then the next thing I have is two foundations. The first foundation I have is the Tarte Clay Stick, obviously by Tarte. But this foundation, literally, you just roll it up like this. It is like a medium to full coverage. It says, I like to use this, it's quick and easy. You just need a couple swipes on your face. And the best way to apply this is with a brush, which is really nice. So highly recommend this if you want like a quick, easy, simple foundation application. And then the next thing, as I mentioned in a bunch of my videos, is the NARS Natural Radiant Longer Foundation. The clay stick is $39 and this is $49, so it's a little bit more pricey, but you get more bang for your buck because of the size, the component, and it's got a squeezy thing on it. And this foundation, when it says long wear, it actually stays on for a very decent amount of time. It stays on long, and I don't have to reapply it. Like with some foundations, I have to reapply some. But this, I don't have to reapply, and it's very nice. And then for a concealer, I have the Tarte Shape Tape. This is $27. I have everything written on my phone right next to me. This is $27, which I think is a great deal for a concealer that is amazing as this. So full coverage, and the applicator, I think, is what does it because it's so big. It's a little messy when you take it out of the tube, but this applicator is huge. You don't need a lot, so a little does go a long way, and you can use this for a very long time. Shape Tape has been my #1 concealer for the past 2 years, and I want you guys to give me suggestions down below because I'm looking for a new concealer for 2019. It might be the new Fenty one coming out. I'm not 100%. But bronzer, I've talked about this many times on my channel and I love it. Also give me more suggestions for bronzers down below because I'm looking for other ones to try out. Okay, thanks. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer Coconut Perfect Tan. And this bad boy is $49, but it's worth the size. It gives you this beautiful, just like sheen of color to your face, and it's not too orange and it's not too light to where you look gray. It is just the perfect amount. Highly recommend this. And then the last thing I want to do is I have 3 skincare products, and the first thing I want to mention is the Tatcha, the Indigo Cream Soothing Skin Protectant. This bad boy, though, is pretty pricey. That's why I'm getting closer. It is $85. To me, it's as much as like a prescription for your skin. But this helps with my sensitive skin and my eczema so much. So if you have really bad eczema like I do, I would get a sample from Sephora and try it out. I'm on my 3rd jar. I don't usually spend this kind of money on like skincare or makeup, but I'm on my 3rd jar because it is the only thing that is helping with my eczema. The only thing, and it is amazing. Next we have the First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads. I love these. I went to the store today and I forgot to get me more, but these are just face pads that I like to use if I don't plan on doing like full-on skincare routine for the night. But it just gets like the oil and the dirt off your face, and it has no alcohol, which is amazing because you don't want to put alcohol on your face because it's very bad for you. And it's safe for sensitive skin, and this I do have to agree with. And then lastly is the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. This is $23.50. Face pads are $30. This, I think, is the best face wash that I have found in 2018. And I found it at the very end, so that's saying something. I used to use the First Aid Beauty Facial Cleanser, but this, literally, I put it on my Clarisonic, and then I turn it on, and I put it all over my face, and this gets rid of my breakouts instantly. Ow! This gets rid of my breakouts instantly, and I think it's amazing. Like, if I feel like a breakouts, because I mostly get breakouts on my chin and in my forehead area, the most weird places. But if I feel them coming on, I'll use this cleanser, and it gets in there and gets rid of them, and highly recommend a try. I love Origins skincare, so if you also want a one that's around the same price, I keep smacking myself. The First Aid Beauty one is also just as good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the products that I had picked for the best makeup of 2018. And I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully we'll get back onto a schedule. I am sorry that it got all messed up, but I literally had no voice and I wasn't allowed to talk for 24 hours, and that was on Thursday. So, fun times. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.